As a professional weed sprayer, I often get asked how much chemical to put into a backpack sprayer. That differs between people and between backpack sprayers. It is extremely important to properly calibrate your backpack sprayer, saving you time and money and helping protect our ecosystem. Every chemical has a direction of use label. The label is the law. There are multiple ways to calibrate with a backpack sprayer. By far the easiest method is a no-math method. This method consists of building an 18.5 foot by 18.5 foot square, which is exactly 1/128th of an acre. There's exactly 128 ounces in a gallon. Hence, when you spray this 18.5 foot by 18.5 foot square, the conversion of ounces to gallons per acre is exactly the same. So by doing this, if I spray 18 ounces in that 18.5 foot by 18.5 foot square, that converts to 18 gallons per acre.
Ready, set, go.
And I like doing my calibration on dry ground where I can see my pattern, so you know exactly where you're spraying and how much you're putting down. It's extremely important to keep pumping your backpack sprayer and keeping constant pressure so your calibration doesn't change as you go. Time.
48.75 seconds.
Now I fill up a measuring cup for 48.75 seconds. At that point, we'll know exactly how many gallons per acre I sprayed. It's extremely important to keep pumping your backpack sprayer and keeping a constant pressure the same way you did when you were covering the ground.
Stop.
So for 48.75 seconds, I sprayed 16 ounces, and that converts over to 16 gallons per acre. Now my backpack sprayer is calibrated and ready to go. Now that settles how many gallons per acre we're spraying, but it doesn't tell you how much chemical to put into your backpack. If the herbicide you're spraying calls for a pint per acre, which is 16 ounces per acre, that equals out to 1 ounce of chemical per gallon of water you put in your backpack. It's extremely important for each sprayer you use that you calibrate yourself to that exact sprayer. One of the ways we manage weeds is to use herbicides. But the most important thing about noxious weeds is to educate yourself to protect the landscape for wildlife and future generations. If you have any more questions about calibration, go to the website below and print out your no math formulation calibration sheet.